Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is document control. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first Executive Series video that you've seen, please go back and check out the introduction. You can check out the video description below for links to any supporting information and a summary of the material that we will cover. In my Executive Series videos, we have a standard agenda, which consists of 4 items. You can see those 4 items in the progress bar below. And then finally, make sure you stick around for those 3 bonus questions at the end of the video. Our requirement, document control, comes directly from 820.40 and ISO 1345 section 4.2.1 and 4.2.4. Document control in 5 words. Use only effective, approved documents. All right, for document control, we have to establish and maintain a procedure that defines how we manage all of the documents in our quality management system. We have to make sure that documents, they are available at their point of use, and we prevent the unintended use of obsolete documents. When documents are changed, they have to be reviewed and approved by the same functions that reviewed and approved the original document. Documents that are changed have to be communicated to all those impacted by the change, and they have to update their training records. We have to define a record retention policy and schedule that manages all the documents within our quality management system. And then finally, we have to manage all documents of external origin, or documents that do not reside within our quality management system. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, all of my documents are reviewed and approved, and I prevent the unintended use of obsolete documents. Second, documents that are changed, those changes are communicated to all those impacted by the changes. And then finally, I have an external document log, or a list of external documents that's maintained, and as external documents are revised and updated, I capture those revisions and I make sure they're implemented within my quality management system. So how do I know this is not working? Well, I have uncontrolled work instructions. This could be scraps of paper, post-it notes, or anything else that employees use as part of their everyday job that's not reviewed and approved in your document control system. Second, obsolete documents are available to employees. They've either saved them into their computer or there's printouts of actual obsolete documents available for use in the manufacturing area. Then finally, I have no idea what external documents I use. I don't know when they're updated, and those updates are not reflected within my quality management system. Now for those 3 bonus questions. First, how do we manage documents of external origin? Second, what information goes into a policy or a procedure or a work instruction, and how are they different? And then finally, when documents are changed, how are those changes communicated to all groups that are impacted by the change? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.